With Classkick, you prepare assignments to see student work and give feedback in real time. In this video, we will practice prepping a new assignment. Add a new blank assignment, import a PDF, or grab a pre-made assignment. Here's the blank assignment. Let's edit the first page. Write or draw on the question using colored pens. To erase writing, use the eraser. Add an image or screenshot from your camera roll. Crop multiple areas of the image. Move and resize images with 2 fingers. To delete an image, drag it to the trash can with 2 fingers. Add text. And change the size and color of the font. You can also add audio recordings, web links, and YouTube videos. To delete objects, drag them to the trash can on the right. Going back to the class view, add new blank questions. Delete a question. Duplicate a question. Or reorder them. To see and manage all your assignments, go back to the dashboard. From here, rename, share, get links, or delete your assignments. Search for assignments by name. Awesome! You're ready to assign this work to students.